Hey guys, it's MrAJsTech here, and today I'm going to show you a video of my iPhone 4, and basically I'm going to show you everything that's on my iPhone 4, or at least jailbreak wise, and what I actually use as my normal tweaks. So this will be a good video for you guys to go and find some tweaks and also see some tweaks in action and see how an iPhone can look and operate. So first thing I'm going to show you, I got a list right here so you can skim through what I'm going to show you. And we may come across some things that I missed if I forgot them. But anyways, I'm going to show you Gridlock first. So when we go home, if you just basically go to shake your icons, you can actually move it anywhere you want without having to deal with those stupid little blanks from like 2.0, 3.0 firmware. So this is a cool tweak. It is paid in Cydia, so you do have to pay for it. However, it is definitely a good tweak if you have an interesting theme with, say, a weather widget or something like that. You can simply modify it. So we're going to go back into Notes. And my next tweak is Androidlockxt. And this is basically like the Android phones. So here you can see my lock screen. If we hit slide to unlock, this actually comes up. And you can actually make your little pattern just like an Android phone would. So it's very cool. It implements just like a normal slide to unlock, and that's kind of like a passcode. Oops. See, we did it wrong. Right now I just have a square. Very simple, very cool, and that's what I really like about it. The theme I'm currently running is called Prestige HD. I did a video on this a while ago, but sometimes people don't get to see the videos all the time. So this theme is really my favorite theme. It's so clean and it has so many different looks. This is just one look out of the several options in Winterboard. Now this is a paid theme. This comes from the Theme It store. You cannot find it in Cydia. And this has complete with Sbsettings, full Winterboard. I want to turn off the 3G there. Full Winterboard, everything. It's really cool. It's definitely a theme I suggest. So we're going to go back into our notes. My next tweak, this is a must-have if you're a theme user and you have like a weather widget or something. Notice how I don't have the annoying clock up here, and that is due to a tweak called Lockscreen Clock Hide, which is free in Cydia, so just search for it, and I'll have a list of everything down below. So we'll go ahead and slide pattern to unlock. That's a new one. And down here we got barrel. Now if you haven't heard of barrel, where have you been? Basically barrel allows really cool slide animations going from page to page. So I'll show you the settings for that. It is really a cool app and it's definitely one of my favorite. So barrel right here. And basically, you got all of these animations, and it's always being updated. Like, I haven't even seen this page zoom, actually. But that's actually pretty cool.
New message.
Here, you can see that. That is definitely really, really cool. And there's also some really cool ones that are, after a while, get boring. That's why it has a lot of them. Curl and roll away, which is always an eye-catcher for people who have not seen this tweaking it yet. But I kind of like the clean look of these stairs downright, and that's what I currently run. So, go back into there, and yeah. And this expose kind of thing, that's my probably my next tweak I'm going to get into. But, of course, we got Winterboard. Everyone knows what Winterboard is, so I'm not going to go too intense. Basically allows you to toggle on your themes. Infinidock is basically allows scrolling. So here you can see that I actually have a scroll over. So basically whenever I want to go to my Twitter client, I just scroll over and click here. Because I like the way the normal phone looks, but I like to easily access the Twitter client, so I just go like that, scroll over, click it, and there it is. So that's definitely a really nice tweak. It's not too intense and it does the job. So we also have Folderenhancer, which I was a little skeptical about at first when I first looked at it, because it changed the design of the folders, as you can see right here. and I was just like, I like the normal native look, so I decided, yeah, I don't want to try it, so I went with Infinifolders for a while. Then I went to go ahead and try it after a restore. I was like, what the heck, I'll try it. I actually tried it on a cracked repo before I bought it, and basically, it is way faster than even native unjailbroken iPhone. You can just see the speed. It pops up really fast, and it allows for folders and folders and more than one page. So it's definitely a really must-have tweak if you have a lot of folders, and it's just a must-have. It makes the OS much more smooth, as you can see right there. Going back into notes, we got Multiflow. So Multiflow is this expose kind of thing. If you don't know what expose, then you probably don't have a Mac. But basically, it allows the windows. It's like very much like multitasking, except most people use that instead of this. But I decided to make my gesture mode slide down from the taskbar. That way, it's kind of like a new thing to the OS, which I really like. It's kind of like a cool little addition. So say I'm in Safari, we can simply scroll down and go back to that notes. So that's definitely a cool tweak, and I believe that's in Cydia for $2.99 as well. We got Activator, of course, which comes with most tweaks, Sbsettings, Multiflow, a lot of tweaks. It's definitely a must-have if you have a lot of tweaks. Sbsettings, which I think I showed you already earlier, but this is very standard. Everyone really knows this since 1.0, like days. But you can see that this is a thing that allows you to toggle on a lot of your simple toggles and stuff like that. And I'm not going to go too in depth, but you can also have add-on toggles. So like the spring flash enables the flash on the back, just like that. So another one that I did not actually write in this notes would be Colorkeyboard. This is a really brand new tweak, $2.99 in Cydia, and it is great. You can see my keyboard is modded. That is not with the $20 iAxis. That's crazy overpriced that I would never pay for, and it doesn't even work that well because it changes the functionality of the keyboard and kind of how like big the icons is. This just changes basically the images, so it's definitely a really cool tweak, and I'll go ahead and show you the settings for that. So we go over to the settings app and then into Colorkeyboard. So you can see that you got these other ones, and there's also a bunch coming because I know that Jimmy6636 made one, and a few other good people are working on them, so they'll come with the update. So definitely a lot of tweaks here, a lot of cool tweaks. If there's something I forgot, leave a comment down below. I'll go ahead and reply to it. Make sure you check out iOSforlife.com, and I also got a few other websites, so definitely check them out down below. And I'd appreciate if you hit the subscribe button up top, like button down below, and leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next video. See ya.